students, hope all are fine and good. In last video, we discussed the first lesson, evolution of mankind. We covered only half of the portions, and now we will discuss about the rest portion. Before that, once again, we will revise the portions that we covered last video. In the introduction, we discussed about human evolution. Then we learned about fossils. Next topic, what we learned? We learned about the classification of human evolution on the basis of fossil. Last topic we learned about Homo habilis, Homo erectus and Homo sapiens. In this video, we will discuss about the sources or evidence of evolution of mankind. What is meant by source? It means things where we get knowledge about something. So here about the change in human life, we get idea from various sources. The first source is tools. Early humans made different kinds of tools or many kinds of tools. Those tools were made of stones. It is the first and important source to know about the human and its evolution. Okay, the first paragraph is discussing about the tool making. And the next source is painting, which they drew on the walls of caves where they lived. These paintings include the pictures of various animals. In some cases, archaeologists found evidence of different food sources also. Okay, what is the second source? In second source is painting, which they drew on the walls of caves where they lived. These paintings include the pictures of various animals. Example, horses, deer, rhinos, lions, panthers, bears, etc. The second paragraph is discussing about these kinds of sources. And the third source, we can say the pots and vessels they used to store food items. The above sources are the important sources or evidence of evolution of mankind. Okay. So now we are concluding. It is a very small portion. So we are concluding the lesson. And now we are going to start our exercises. All of you please write all the question answers in your notebook. That is question number B, question number A, question number C, question number D and question number E. You write in your textbook only. No need to write in your notebook. Question number B, that is answer the following. Only you should write in your notebook. Okay. So first question. What is the first question? Briefly write about the evolution of mankind. Briefly write about the evolution of mankind. Answer is page number 11. There you can see one yellow color box. The first point is our first answer. The long process of change from ape-like ancestors to modern human beings is called the evolution of mankind. That much enough. Okay, question number 1. Then question number 2. When did the modern humans originate? When did the modern humans originate? Answer is page number 9. Paragraph second paragraph. Okay. Modern humans originated nearly 1,60,000 years ago. That is the answer. of question number 2. Then third question. Explain the term fossil. Explain the term fossil. Answer is the same page number 9. The fourth paragraph. Fossils are the remains or impressions of a prehistoric plant, animal or human which have changed into stone. This is the answer of question number 3. Then question number 4. Mention the classification of evolution of mankind on the basis of fossils. Answer is page number 9, the last paragraph. On the basis of fossils, human evolution can be classified as under Homo habilis, Homo erectus and Homo sapiens. This is the answer of question number 5. Then, that is the answer of question number 4. And question number 5. What are the various sources and evidences of evolution of mankind? That answer I have written in the last page of the book. The various sources and evidences of evolution of mankind are primitive stone tools, hundreds of paintings, food sources, remains of pots and other vessels. Okay, these are the question answers. Okay, I hope all of you understood the question answers. Thank you, children.